Son, I fall in love with the streets not love nobody.
To every youth so dear die young. Yeah, man, they don't know knife or die by guns. Yeah. Father God, please don't let me go. Please don't let me go.
Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. Also, I want to welcome you to a brand new series where we are looking at dancehall sensations who tragically passed away. In this episode, we'll be looking at a youth by the name of Marlon Samuels. Yes, not the cricketer, but Marlon Samuels, the TikToker. I know someone might say, yo, how come you say dancehall sensation and you talk about a TikToker? But we have to remember, say, TikTok in Jamaica is an extension of dancehall, is an extension of entertainment. We have to remember, say, the TikToker them and them are keep the biggest shows them right now, and them are going at the dancehall, and them are take on the stage and do what the dancehall entertainers normally do and what the dancehall entertainers them are do right now. Which is why this incident fall under the category I mentioned earlier. Now, viewers and subscribers, since the incident may I tell us it forward as a surprise to many, but not as a surprise to a few, even though it is just 2 weeks since the last TikToker was killed on live. Viewers and subscribers, a whole heap of tears are swinging around, a whole heap of allegations are swinging around. In fact, the people them when they're behind it for them name actually call already. The reason why it happened, them talk about it already. So viewers and subscribers, may all get right into it. But before me do that, may I ask you to do me one simple favor. Pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you will be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. When you reach this far, so please may I ask you, give this video a like. We'll get straight into it.
Son, I fall in love with the streets not love nobody.
So before we get into the many theories as to what might have led to the demise of 41 Busshe, we are going to run go over loop news and run the article here. Check it out. The St. James police are trying to prevent any reprisals after the shooting death of popular TikToker and social media personality Marlon Samuels, popularly known as Busshe, as 41 Busshe in Montego Bay on Friday night. Now we want to see the keyword reprisal because we are going to forward back to it. The 23-year-old resident of Rosites was shot dead by an unknown assailant hours before his 24th birthday on Saturday. According to reports, Samuel was shot around 10 p.m. after walking towards his car on North Lane. His attackers then fled the scene. The TikToker succumbed to his injuries at the scene. In reacting to the murder, National Security Minister and Deputy Prime Minister Dr. Horace Chang told reporters on Saturday that the police are stepping up their efforts to ensure that the situation does not escalate. Now, you see, anytime you see the police attack like that, anytime you see the National Security Minister attack like that, then you know, say, yo, something different a Gwaan. Remember, when them killed Naya the other day, no police, nobody never did come out and attack about reprisal. In fact, them say, yo, them don't know what Gwaan because he is not a gang member. According to their books, he wasn't wanted. No gang war na Gwaan deso. But in a 41 Busshe case, you see the things what them say. We soon get back to it. So make we consider the article. Last night's killing is opening up the potential of a gang conflict which we are aware of. And I know the police is gonna take every step to prevent the kind of retaliation and war that could break out between two gangs in Montego Bay, stated Chang. He added, however, that he does not believe persons who use such social media platform are being targeted. Additionally, he said Samuel's relation to someone in the criminal underworld could be purely coincidental. Now, viewers and subscribers, we don't know. Everybody has say, yo, it look like say them target the TikTokers them because from Naya to now 41 Busshe, and we see the whole heap of incident, the attacks and everything that go on the TikTokers them scared and feel like say, yo, they are under threat, they are under siege. Now the Minister of Security I make them know say, yo, this now have nothing to do with TikTok. But viewers and subscribers will also switch part him say this person actually have some form of relation to a person in the criminal underworld. Viewers and subscribers, we soon get back to that. Let's continue. I think the fact that this TikToker 41 Busshe them attack is related to someone who is considered a leader in the underworld in Montego Bay is purely coincidental. You know Jamaicans enjoy the social media space. We are talkers and therefore we enjoy social media, and a lot of Jamaicans on social media are on social media everywhere. So I don't think there is a systematic attempt to silence any member of it from any angle at all, and this is what Chang said. But in this case, E is related to indirectly elements which are currently in conflict in the community, and we are taking steps to effectively manage that. Chang, a member of parliament in the parish, elaborated. Samuel had built a significant following on social media platform TikTok and Instagram, where he was known for his engaging content. Tragically, his death occurred shortly after he did a live feed on Instagram, part of which was filmed at an hair salon. Samuels had his hair combed and styled in an anticipation for his 24th birthday celebration on Saturday. Friends and fans have been paying tributes to him, saying his death has left them shocked and heartbroken. Samuel's murder came days after fellow social media influencer Xavier Naya Gang Foga was shot and killed during a live TikTok session in Old Harbour, St. Catherine on December 7. Similarly, his death crippled the social media users, now viewers and subscribers. Those were the words of the National Security Minister, the MP and Deputy Prime Minister, Horace Chang. Viewers and subscribers, and no normal things they may say. And no normal things they may say. As when we say, this incident is totally different from Naya's incident, because you notice the type of things they were put out in the paper that surround 41 Busshe when you compare to what was said about Naya. Alright, viewers and subscribers, whole heap of theories are going on. But before getting at the theories, this youth by the name of Marlon Samuels, otherwise known as 41 Busshe, this man, based on my understanding, in fact, him forward out and say it already, he was charged. And why him get charged for? Him charged for take it from a female without them actually giving him the permission. Him talk so out time on a mouth. Pan TikTok. You see what I say? So this is not no allegation, this is not no theory, this is not no rumors. Him say it out time mouth. Now outside of that, nobody no know if him have any other run-ins with the law. Now, a whole heap of things are going on. And one of the things we are going on is that they must say him link to gang. We also see which part the Deputy Prime Minister and make some form of connection to gang conflict in his death. We see which part him say him actually related to somebody who's known as a Don in the criminal underworld. And we know say the streets are gonna talk. And what the streets are say? The streets actually are say, yo, his brother is a member of that criminal underworld. The street actually has say this is a reprisal for some incident where Gwaan were involved in his brother. You know that little thing there in Jamaica where them say can't catch Quack or you catch him shot. Them a make it seem like say yo at this catch 41 but said no, as when me say at the street attack, this is just alleged. This is not any form of confirmation. Say yes, I saw it go because the police them still a do them job, them still a try find out our really Gwaan. But as when me say the biggest thing in the street, I say it is because of his brother deeds. Them can't catch him brother, so them catch him. And yo, me I tell you, this is so messed up, yo. The man them killed the man hours before him birthday. Hours before him 24th birthday. And this of them dash him. Now, the TikTokers them as well, me say them scared. Chung say yo, them have no need to. But you see this social media thing, a whole heap of people, it a catch half guard. Whole heap of people I do some things where them not remember, you know, we see twins have twins forward out with steer it up in a man. And when them that plan to go up on a robbery and them a say, yo, them know everything we are going cause yo, this a person here depend live, this a person here take pictures, say yo, them there, so them there, so them know say them not there, them yarn. Now 41 Busshe, there is a high possibility say if you never do that Instagram live at the hair salon hours before he was killed, there's a high possibility saying probably would have lived to see another day. Because him killer them wouldn't know say as they say him there. They wouldn't catch him a lapse. You understand what me I say? So even though them after him, me not feel like them would have got certain place for him. But them see him on life and them say, watch ya, the boy the right so same thing catch Naya. Whoever did that forward for Naya, them know say yo, and yes I am there. Cause them see him on life. Now viewers and subscribers, me have to say condolences to the families, the friends, the loved ones, just about any and everybody who know and love this youth. Yes, so we may say just rough in a Christmas yeah. But outside of that, we still want to know what really Gwaan. Now, whole heap of people outside of the gang conflict and the this and the that, whole heap of people I wonder if a him mouth make this reach him. Remember, you know, the man them pan TikTok them say any and anything, you know, them this, any and anybody, you know, even when them not even know other person they look. So that the people them ask, is it because I'm out? Is it because I'm fame a little ghetto youth from down Rose Eyes just bust with big now famous everybody pan TikTok at about 41 but said, yo, our bad mind night? Is it because of the money where them claim said the TikTokers them a make? Viewers and subscribers a whole heap of things the people them a say. Last but not least, is it that this man did involve in the criminal underworld, but now he bust up on TikTok and I try to clean up him image? We do not know. We have to just wait until the police them do them full investigation and forward out with some more information as to what really caused all of this. But for now, here are where me I go left it. Tell me your thoughts down below as to what you feel like cause or lead to the demise of this youth. Is it because of the entanglement with his brother? Is it because him also in a stuff, but him a clean up him image? Is it because I'm mouth? Is it because I'm fame? Is it because I'm money? What really cause all of this? And also viewers and subscribers, me just want to say, yo, bless up in the Christmas, yeah. You understand what I say? And prosperous new year. I wish for each and every viewers and subscribers. Remember, like this video if you reach this far, subscribe, share the video. Bless up.